Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again I am back in the kitchen. I am doing another unboxing. Again, this is relating to the S23 Ultra. This is the tempered glass HD9 screen protector by AACL. These guys make a great product. I've been using it going back to my S20 Plus 5G. I use it on my S22, as well as now I'm using it on the S23. It's a great product, and what I like the most about this one is that it comes with a grid to pop it on your phone, so you're not fighting to make sure your alignment is off, especially with some of these curved protectors. And in the past with the other ones, it has been case friendly, which for most of us that use more than one case, that's important, because nothing worse than putting it into a case and having the case pop the screen protector off the front of it. It also has that sticky patch for your fingerprints. You know, for those of you guys, again, that are using hard screen protectors, remember that you're going to have that visible bubble. It's not a bubble, but the circle on the front of your screen, and you will have to re-up if you've already done. You're not putting this on from the first base. You will need to redo your fingerprint when you set it up. So just keep those things in mind, because that's all stuff that's super important across the board to know. But I wanted to share the unboxing with you for you guys. I don't think I'd seen any for these guys. I've seen their installation videos that they usually come with in the packaging, but I hadn't seen anybody do an unboxing of them, and it's a great product, and I think that what they're trying to do in the product is worth it, and you guys may be interested in seeing it. So I figured let me put together a quick video. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel free to reach out to me on the socials, as well as on patreon.com/Jesse the Couch Movie Critic. Let's go ahead and let's get to it. So we'll take a look here on the front. You've got the AACL right there. Better Future Protector, Screen Protector, Anti-Water, Fully Rounded Edges, Anti-Dust Layer, Delicate Touch, Anti-Shatter, Easy Application. The side bottoms are all pure white. Nothing special on any of them. On the back, it's got the same screen protector, permanent protection against scratches and drops, anti-fingerprint treatment. So it's got the oleophobic treatment for your fingerprints. Excellent resistance to scratches, which I can attest to. Ultra thin design, keeps touch sensitivity, contrast, and brightness. Quick and easy installation without air bubbles. Trouble-free removal without display damage, and compatible with all protective covers. I will tell you that I've had lucky enough experience that most of the cases I've used, it worked perfectly with. But just like anything else, there might be that one protector, so I'd take that all with a grain of salt. You can see the contents. It includes the screen protectors themselves, the dust removal stickers, the cleaning wipes, the installation guide, and the frame. Then that's the Amazon, the recycling, and made in China. Let's go ahead and let's go pop this guy open. What I kind of dig about these guys is that they do this box, right? And they have these stickers with the little tabs that pop up. So there's actually two ways to open. You could actually open it here, pop it open, or you can open it, if you do it gently, right, and salvage these rounded stickers. Because you have a couple different cases, it's a good way to reopen it. But what I like about this, for like me, that I like to lay things out when I'm doing it, it just opens right up. So it's kind of cool that you can slide everything out. And everything is set up pretty decently. You've got, these are the screen protector wipes, wet. 3 protectors, they give you 4 of them. This is a squeegee, so that you can go ahead and get the air out of the bubbles of the screen. And it's literally, again, this is specifically what you're squeegeeing. Isn't that there's air going to be trapped in the entire cover. It's just in the fingerprint area. You want to make sure you got a good grip. You've got your dust removers right there. You've got the installation guide, and there's also a QR code for a instruction. I got to be honest, if you've never done it before, watch the video. If you've done it before, just reread the instructions. You know, you never know. Refresher might help. The thing in the video too that reminds you about squiggling very quickly across it. It's a great way to remember. This is the insert that reminds you that you're going to need to redo your thumbprint and adjust the settings to maximum sensitivity, because if not, you know, you could have problems. Now, usually what winds up happening with all of these, and I don't care the brand, you squeegee out the bubble, you set up the new fingerprints. Unless you do a perfect squeeze and there's all the airs out, you're going to wind up having to do it in a couple days. So be prepared for that. And let's take a look here. And like I said, see how it just all folds right open? And you've got, here you'll notice there's 2 things here. You've got the 3 screen protectors. They put on the individual packages the QR code for the video. And then there's the frame I told you about. It's got a little arrow to the top to let you know what's up right there next to the model number, S23U. And it's even got little bumper feet so that it's elevated off the table when you do it as well. The actual screen protectors to show you. out of the slip. Very cut and dry. Screen protector's got the black bottom top, which your phone already has. You may not realize it's there, but that's already there. And then you'll see, I don't know if you can see it here. There's the camera doesn't do it justice, but right about where your fingerprint is, there's a area with a separate kind of adhesive that allows the fingerprint to actually work. You do have to reset your fingerprint after you put it on if you haven't, if you're not, putting this on before when the phone's brand new, because it's going to change how it reads your fingerprint a little bit. But as long as you do that, the fingerprint works flawlessly. I haven't had a problem. I do the backup thing. Most of the Samsungs and most of the smartphones, you've got multiple fingerprints. So I do two of like my main fingerprint of, my thumb, and then one of the opposite thumb, and then one of the pointer finger. So you can probably do the same thing and have a spare. That way you can read it twice, and for sure you get, even no matter what finger you get, you can get in there. But it's a pretty cool product, man, and it's saved my bacon a few times. I will not lie, especially when Bella was younger with some of the other phones, borrowing the phone. This is a great way to protect it. But yeah, there it is, guys. If you're getting a new phone, get yourself a screen protector, take care of your stuff. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please feel free to reach out to me on all the socials, as well as on patreon.com/Jesse the Couch Movie Critic. As always, guys, thanks for watching and have a great night.